Fuck. This is Brittany, 12 hours before my shift. 12 hours after my shift.
My buddy Matt's birthday, so I'm making him a cookie of the letter M. Oh, got a little chocolate starfish.
I made a rainbow.
Good job making rainbow cookies. And sugar-free. Oh my god. Oh my gosh! Catch it. Do you want it, buddy? Y'all, she said, I ain't never seen a turkey with its legs crossed.
Bacon cheddar. Oh my.
Bro!